Self credit builder reports after a month. So I see a lot of people when they sign up for that self account, it usually reports to the credit bureaus after the month, and they report to all three credit bureaus too, which is something I really like. Some of these accounts they're gonna report to two credit bureaus, but they actually report to all three credit bureaus. So they usually report after a month. Now let's go ahead and see if they have a different explanation here in terms of when are they going to report, just in case they say something different, because a self have an explanation for everything. When do you report? When do you report to the credit bureau? We report once a month to the three credit bureaus. Are they sent to the credit bureaus the first week of each month? Okay, that's good. So it's very, very similar to that kickoff account. That account report the first week of each month too. So that is really, really good. If you open an account with a credit bureau account in mid-January, report the account opening to the credit bureaus that first week of February. Okay, that's good. If you don't make your first monthly payment, not just the administrative fee, until February, that payment won't be reported to the bureaus until the first week of March. So, for an example, if you guys were to sign up January 15th, you create the account, you pay your $9 administrative fee. That first week of February, that's when they're going to report to the credit bureaus. The credit bureaus are going to update your report around the 10th to the 15th. Please note, in some cases, it may take the credit bureaus a few weeks or more to update your report. February 14th, you make your first monthly payment to self. Then the first week of March, they're going to report it to the credit bureaus. And around the 10th to the 15th, you guys will be able to see it on your credit report. So that's what they're saying about that reporting. So it's going to take a month. So think of the beginning of the next month. But then again, it's your first payment, not your administrative payment. So you got that $9 payment, not that $9 payment, your actual payment. So if you do $48 per month, then that's the payment that the